Hey guys, it's Jen. I thought I'd bring you guys in a week in my life during SEEM week. If you guys didn't know, SEEM is our sports entertainment event management major here, and every year students in the class will throw a full week of SEEM related events. It gives you a chance to network with a lot of people in your industry, work in your industry, and it's just a lot of fun. It's officially day one. I'm currently heading over to the SEEM conference. There's going to be a ton of industry professionals and alumni on the panels today.
Hi, I'm Gabriella. I work in the music and entertainment industry part of SEEM.
Everyone on the panels got to give some insight about the industry they're in, and they also opened the floor up to ask questions. After the conference, I headed out to get a free hot dog and made my way to Bowen where they're holding a meet and greet along with lunch. Listen, when there's free food, don't question it, just go.
Here with Concy, the director of ESPN. We're all connecting right now at this conference.
SEEM 10th year anniversary conference.
That's right. Well, here she is. We're really cool to meet her.
This was just the coolest day. I'm now LinkedIn buddies with the director of ESPN. Like, who else can say that? I also got to chat with Gabriella and Jordan, which was really fun.
Hi everyone, it's the next day and today I'm at the SEEM Expo, which has a ton of different vendors from different companies in the industry, and it's a great way for SEEM majors and non-SEEM majors to just, connect or find a job or anything of the sort. It's just one of those great resources that the school has, so I'm about to enter it and I'm super excited.
So this expo is like a gold mine to SEEM majors. I actually bumped into quite a few of my friends who said they talked with a lot of businesses and ended up getting either an internship or a job. So I'm telling you, this is the place to be.
Sorry, it's good. We're just walking around SEEM at the expo.
So this is the SEEM Expo. We spent all semester as a class, so about like 20 of us, I would say.
And this was all planned by students, right?
Yes. And so we invited all these exhibitors, and some replied, some didn't, but obviously the ones that replied are here. And we wanted to expand it from last year, and so we invited the people who attended last year back, and then we expanded to even more.
That's really cool. You guys reached out to so many big companies too, so that's really impressive that it was mainly just run by students.
And we have a lot of categories. I feel like last year we only had like sports or only two, and we had entertainment, sports, event management, and some like culinary as well.
No, that's really awesome. There are so many here.
I'm personally a baking and pastry student, but I got to talk to a lot of different companies, and a lot of them actually had jobs for baking or culinary people, so you never know. Plus, no matter what, I always say it's really great to network with whoever,
Hi guys, I'm now in the Gaby Commons because it is concert day. To end SEEM week out strong, the class has thrown a Not Your Father's or Not Your Dad's music festival. It's in Gaby Commons. It's so fun. They have a verified artist, and it's just like, the vibes are crazy. I gotta show you guys.
Hi, we're at the SEEM production concert. I am head of operations. My name is Kelsey, and welcome to Not Your Dad's Music Fest.
Hi guys, I'm here with Simone. She just performed and she did so amazing. Sorry. She did so good. And I just filmed a reel with her too, so don't forget to go check all that out on Instagram, and don't forget to follow Simone as well. But yeah, this was just really fun and really cool. I hope you had a good time.
I had a great time.
Oh my
Thanks for
God.
having me.
Of course. Jordan and I just got our hot dogs from the food truck. Wow. Jordan double bunned up. The line for the food truck was so long, but it's super popular. I'm so excited. Bye. Bye, dude. Bye. Well, that wraps up SEEM week. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did following me along on SEEM week, and I hope this motivates you guys to come enjoy and, attend these functions if you didn't this year, because you are missing out. This was so fun. Like, just, oh my gosh, just look at the crowd behind us, guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.